What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe. And today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-33945-4. A server connection has failed, so it's simply a network error, a server error. And here I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen. Here simply just go to the screen and go to the settings. Then simply here we are at the settings and account management and account information. You just go to the network, not to the account management. Go to, and here's the login setting. You must check the login settings and set up internet connection. View server. Sometimes the server is down, that's why it's not working, undergoing maintenance. That's when you're working on updates. So if the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, then you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. And you must use a wired LAN cable. You will get the better speed and a better FPS, and you can change the manually DNS, primary DNS and a secondary DNS. Which one is working good in your country, just put it back here and set up a new connection. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of network error or server error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.